this is going to be another short recording. This is about the S sound at the beginning of words. When you see an S at the beginning of a word, it is going to sound like an S. Like Sienna, yeah, or Sally, or sick, sick, sick. It is an S no matter what the next letter is, even if the next letter is a consonant, okay, such as snake, snake, or sleep, sleep, or small, small, smart, smart. Okay, start, skip, sport. Okay, so any word starting with an S starts with an S sound. Not a Z, no. Okay, not the Z sound. When you see an S at the beginning of the word, say S, okay? Small, school, snake, Sarah, Spanish, Spain, star, stink, store, smooth, smooth, space, smart, like a smartphone, or a smart car, or a smart person. Okay, not Z, never Z at the beginning of the word, okay? So, S at the beginning of the word, S. I hope this helps. If you have any other questions about making this sound, please let me know down below. It should be a basic S sound, yeah? The S, S, like snake, store, Sarah. Okay, so it should be not too difficult to pronounce, but if you have any problems with it, please let me know down below, and I will get back to you as soon as I can. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.